called Deadbolt. You guys in the gym, you're actually going to be starting off with a strength piece on the barbell. So weightlifter's dream today, although don't worry, we're going to get you under conditioning as well. We'll be starting off building up to a heavy set of 5, then 4, then 3. This will be just a quick strength session. We'll probably spend about 15 minutes challenging you on your deadlift. Don't forget, deadlift is just picking heavy objects up off the ground, right? So we're going to start off in a nice setup position. Hips are set low, but it's not lower than my knees. Head and chest are up, knees and shoulders over the bar. Narrower grip. We're going to drive our heels through the floor, lifting that weight, pulling those knees back out of the way, standing up to full extension. That's shoulders behind the bar, knees and hips locked out. We'll control it back to the floor. If we're doing multiple reps, we're touching and going into the next rep. We don't want to pause at the bottom. We want to control it, touch, turn around, and stand back up. A set of 5. We'll rest, put some more weight on the bar, do a set of 4. Rest, put some more weight on the bar, and do a set of 3. Building in weight as we go. When we're done, we're going to do that workout, Deadbolt. It's an 18-minute AMRAP. We're going to put 18 minutes on the clock. You're going to see how many rounds you can get through. I think 3 rounds is probably going to be the sweet spot in this one. We're actually going to start off, never turn back to the camera. We're going to start off with a jump rope, either double unders for 60 reps. If you don't have double unders, you're going to be doing single unders for 90. We're going to multiply it by 1.5 times. Usually works out pretty good. If you don't have doubles, you don't have singles, maybe you're at home. You guys at home will either be doing the jump rope if you have it, or we can do line hops. We'll do lateral line hops, even jumping jacks. If you're doing the line hops, we'll keep it set at the same thing as the double under. So 60 lateral jumps over the line. If you're doing jumping jacks, we'll still keep it at 60 as well. Just if you're doing single unders, you're going to do 90. When you're done, you're going to jump on this rower. Big calorie row. Remember, big drive with the legs. Slowly come back in. Get a big drive. You're going to go with calories. You want power output, so don't rush on that rower. We're going to do 30 calories for the guys, 24 for the women, and then you get to pick up the bar finally. We're going to finish off the round with, again, deadlifts, 15 reps. This should be a weight you can pretty comfortably do 15 in a row if you had to, but you're likely probably going to break it up into at least 2 sets and maybe even 3. Okay, you guys at home, you don't have a rower, so guess what you're going to have to do? You're going for a run. We're going to give you a 400-meter run, quarter mile. It should take you about 2 minutes. It's about the same amount of time you'd spend on the rower. When you come back in from your run, if you have 2 dumbbells, I'm going to have you do 20 dumbbell deadlifts. Same positioning as everything. The dumbbells, 1 half of each dumbbell touches the ground right next to my pinky toe. Stand all the way up again. Good full extension at the top. Again, like I said, you're going to do 20 of these. If you only have 1 dumbbell, I'm going to have you do 15 on the right, 15 on the left. So you're going to do 30 total. It doesn't matter to me whether you do them on the outside of your foot or you prefer to touch it in the middle. Just make sure you switch arms and you get 15 on the right, 15 on the left. Good luck, guys. Again, we shoot for 3 rounds. Maybe you can get a 4th in. Good luck. Get after it. Happy Tuesday.